Welcome to the Properties by Masters Luxury Collection, a curated series featuring standout homes and residences within Punta Cana's most prestigious communities. Today, we're stepping into a peaceful waterfront setting where marina views, gentle breezes, and a relaxed luxury lifestyle blend together seamlessly right here in the exclusive Cap Cana Marina. This $600,000 fully furnished residence offers 2 ensuite bedrooms, each with its own private terrace, a guest bathroom, and an open concept layout combining the kitchen, living, and dining areas. With 2,034 square feet of thoughtfully distributed space, this home feels open, comfortable, and inviting from the moment you walk in. Let's begin our tour of this remarkable unit, one that may very well feel like home by the time we reach the end of this video. The terrace is where everything comes to life. Just a few yards away, the marina stretches out before you, boats gently moving, water shimmering, and that unmistakable calm that defines life in Cap Cana. It's a setting meant for morning coffee, easy afternoons, and quiet evenings surrounded by the beauty of the water. This property is fully turnkey and ready for you to enjoy immediately. If you're looking for a peaceful marina retreat with all the comforts already in place, let's connect. Call or text me at 809-223-8416 or email me at info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to continue learning about the incredible real estate and investment opportunities here in Punta Cana, make sure to subscribe to the channel and select all so you're notified the moment new videos go live. Like this video, share it with anyone who might benefit from these insights, and help the algorithm push this information to more people searching for the opportunities I present. I invite you to follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. Have a wonderful day.